How to apply for Temu returns and exchange. So in order to apply for return or refund on Temu, you could follow these standardized steps through the Temu website or mobile app. What you want to do is, first thing, log into your Temu app, go to the Your section from the bottom, and you just want to go to the order that you actually wish to return. So go to your order, select the particular item, or just select return or refund button next to the relevant order. Confirm you have received the package if prompted. Then you just want to check the box for each item you want to return. Select the reason, right? Whether it's broken, wrong items, or better price available, and upload a photo or video if required to support your claim. Then you have to select whether you want the refund as a Temu credit or back to your original payment method. Next, you just want to submit and print label, like select the submit button once approved. Temu will provide a return shipping label. Print this label and tape it outside of your package. And that's how you're going to apply for Temu returns and exchange. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.